My school fills my heart with happiness and wonder. I'm eager to learn new lessons in my classroom. Explore stories, numbers, beautiful world around me. Beyond studies, I look forward to singing, dancing, drawing, playing, and practicing yoga activities that help me grow strong, confident, and cheerful. I love discovering new things and enjoying every moment at school. With the loving support, guidance of my teachers and my parents, my school nurtures me to grow in a holistic manner, helping me blossom into the best version of myself. Thank you.